Next, we're going to remove this thing to be able to take out the back compartment, the little kit they've got in here. It's got this preformed little insert that goes in, so we're going to take off this bracket here and then put it back on after we take out this, so we don't end up scratching the bike and having the tensioner arm holder for the lid flopping in the breeze. So we're going to take this off next. These two screws we're going to take out, and then we're going to immediately slip it back in behind and put it back on with the two screws so it still holds the top open and closed. Okay, so what we did was we used a Torx bit, take that out, then we reinstalled it back on the other side of the insert here in the back, so this insert can completely out. And I'm going to take that out right now. Pretty interesting that they got this cut away so this can drop. You can pull this guy right out. You can see I'm moving the entire harness or the insert out of the back end. This will reveal all the wire connections underneath. As you take that guy out, you can see what's hidden underneath everything. Got a bunch of wires and a bunch of this and that, and we're going to be coming through that little hole up front there with all those other wires later on.